Welcome back, friends. Friends, from this lecture, I will explain on the self-help books theory. These perceptions are based on different kinds of media. You will have read different kinds of self-help books. So all the books, according to my experience, present the same kind of theory, which is not applicable on everybody. So actually this is the main idea, main thing which I want to explain. That self-help books theory is not applicable on everyone. Have you ever read a book about failed people, such a book which contains the stories of those people who work hard under the golden principles of honesty and dignity in their lives but remain fails? I have not ever seen such a book. I mean, you will not find any kind of book which will tell you the stories of failures. If you find any opportunity in searching the books relating to self-help, then please search. You will find all the books giving you the tips and tricks of becoming rich and successful in your life, and how can you succeed in your life through hard work, honesty, potential, and the basis of principled life. In these books, you will find the interesting stories of the world's successful personalities, that how they gain success through self-help. But these books will not tell you the stories of failed person who did everything but they remained failed. So I go to next page, which is goals and objectives. Successful people, this is the proverb quote, successful people do what unsuccessful people are not willing to do. Don't wish it were easier, wish you were better. You will have also watched some videos of some business tycoons and on social media, in which they say that they were not as intelligent as you are, but they have become millionaire due to taking some extraordinary risk in their lives. So if you want to gain success in your lives, you will also have to take some risk and will have to do something extraordinary to show your potential before the world. Don't lose your heart. Create a special skill which others don't have, and success will automatically welcome you. So this will be the basic theory of all the self-help books, which is showing inside this page. And in previous page, I have just explained that how these self-help books are totally fail to highlight on the failure's life. So if I come to next page, my ideology, it is based on my personal experience. So I will explain you this my ideology, that what I have experienced of meeting with my students, with my people, to living in this society, that what is the reality. So I will explain over this ideology in next video.